Greetings! I just wanted to make sort of an announcement video telling the world that unfortunately Stardew Valley does not play at all if you use software like Dragon NaturallySpeaking, specifically version 13, which is the version that I have. And anytime that I have Dragon running, I cannot open Stardew Valley at all. I click play and it says running, and then nothing happens, and yeah, it just says not running anymore. So if you have a disability and use Dragon to help you type or whatever, you might not want to play Stardew Valley if you have to use Dragon to do basically everything. Moving the mouse, using the keyboard. If you use Dragon for everything, then unfortunately Stardew Valley does not work well with Dragon. I don't quite understand why. I've noticed that it's an issue with Dragon version 13 that anytime you open a full screen game, Dragon doesn't want you to be in a full screen game. Like I've I've had Dragon like go on while I was in a game before, and it takes the game out of full screen mode and automatically puts it into windowed mode, which for a gamer is not a great thing because as I understand it, I think it takes more computer power to run a game in windowed mode, or maybe it's the other way around. Anyway, gamers typically like using full screen mode for gaming because it's a better experience. And don't quote me on this, but you may or may not be able to use G-Sync or FreeSync when in windowed mode. I've never had a G-Sync or FreeSync monitor, so don't quote me on that, but from what I've heard, I think there's an issue with playing games in windowed mode or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, the purpose of this video is just to let people know that Dragon NaturallySpeaking version 13 has issues with Stardew Valley. It will just not let you open the game. And so, yeah. Now, I don't know if you can see Dragon right now, but I will close Dragon. No, I'm not going to save. I don't need to save right now. And now I will open it again, and the game should open. See? So I don't know what it is about Dragon, but there you go. Dragon definitely has issues with Stardew Valley. And I really don't understand why, because Stardew Valley isn't even running in full screen mode. I've got it in windowed mode right now. I don't know. I wish somebody could tell me what's going on with that. So if anybody has any information, please leave it in the comments below. I would really like to know what's up with that. And if the developer of the game, I know it's only one guy, he did an amazing job with Stardew Valley. One guy within 4 years made the best Harvest Moon clone that could ever exist. And if there's anything he can do about this issue with Dragon, I would be very grateful. I wonder if it's something to do with the Microsoft framework that the game uses to run. I I don't know, that's just speculation, but that's my assumption based on the issues I've been having. I'm gonna try playing the game without Dragon. It's a little difficult for me to use the keyboard and mouse, but I can still like use the arrow keys and the space bar and the numpad, so maybe if I do some key bindings I'll be able to work it out. Anyway, this video has gone on long enough. I've said my piece, and hopefully it raises awareness to other Dragon users out there. So yeah, take care everyone and have a lovely day.